In qualitative research, purposive sampling is a powerful technique. Let's explore when and why it is used. When expert knowledge is required, purposive sampling comes into play. Experts provide valuable insights. Specific criteria are essential in qualitative research. Purposive sampling helps select participants who meet those criteria. Exploratory research requires a focused approach. Purposive sampling enables researchers to target specific groups. When studying a limited population, purposive sampling ensures representation and meaningful insights. Homogeneous groups provide valuable data. Purposive sampling helps identify and select participants from such groups. Theory development requires in-depth analysis. Purposive sampling aids in selecting participants who can contribute to theory building. Case studies demand detailed examination. Purposive sampling allows researchers to select relevant cases for in-depth analysis. Resource constraints can limit sample size. Purposive sampling helps researchers make the most of available resources. In summary, purposive sampling is a valuable tool in qualitative research. It enables researchers to select participants strategically for meaningful insights. Dr. Philippe Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.